Alright everyone, today we're gonna show you how to make the Spanish national soup, Gazpacho. We start with some toast that we cut into small cubes. Give it in a pan and add some olive oil. While roasting it, just add 1 or 2 cloves of garlic and some rosemary. Roast the cubes until they are golden in color. Add some salt and pepper before you let it cool out. Now you have croutons. We go on with half a liter of tomato juice or vegetable broth if you have. We choose tomato juice for our Gazpacho. Cut 2 or 3 bell pepper and put it into the tomato juice. You don't have to cut the bell pepper or the other ingredients very fine. It will be blended anyway. After that we take 2 onions, peel them and also just cut them. Also add these pieces to the tomato juice. Then we need a clove of garlic that we just peel and add. We use some fresh tomatoes to bring more tomato flavor and texture into our dish. Furthermore, we like to add some chili pepper. Be very careful with it. The amount you use depends on how spicy your chili peppers are and how spicy you like it. Only take a small amount if you are unsure. To make the soup even more refreshing, we chop a cucumber and add the pieces to our bowl. As a herb, we only used flat-leaved parsley. We finished our dish by giving it some olive oil and spice it with half a teaspoon of salt and some pepper. To counteract the acid from the tomatoes, we add 5 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. The last step will be blending the soup with an immersion blender. Place the soup in the fridge until serving it. Just add the croutons when you serve it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day, over and out.